Did you know? From a continental perspective, $23.1 billion, or 62.6% of the total value of pork meat exports, originate in Europe. Second are North American exporters with 27.5%. With such high export numbers and the quality of the pork here considered delicious and nutritious, have you ever wondered how a farmer cares for millions of pigs? You'll surely be surprised by this video. Let's explore together. Marvel at how the farmer cares for millions of pigs. Not as aggressive as wild boars, domestic pigs are a domesticated species. Domestic pigs are often raised for meat or are raised for breeding and economic development purposes. According to recent expert research, this breed has an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years. That's why you need patience and special care with pregnant sows or young gilts that need to mature. Constructing a pig barn is the first thing you should do, and this is also considered a form of care. On large pig farms, they invest in a dedicated house for the mother and newborns. They make the frames of the farm with just the right width for each pig family. They provide the pigs with 2 different temperatures, as newborns will need around 95 degrees F for a week, and sows need 60 degrees F. Then they feed them a diet that mixes cornmeal, soy, and vitamins for them. Pigs need around 16 pounds of feed a day and are constantly checked for good health. The piglets will be nursed for about 21 days, and then they will be released from the stable and reunited to continue the technical work of caring for the growing piglets. Whether indoors or outdoors, piglets will need 16 square feet of space each, while weaned and older pigs will need nearly 40 square feet. To keep the pigs healthy, the farm is always clean and sanitary. Visiting farms like these also helps people, especially children, to understand and love animals more. Pigs are taken to the factory to process the meat with a lot of care. Pork is a food rich in protein and contains various fats. Thus, pork has many health-related benefits. This is the end of our video today. If you find it interesting, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hello, and see you in the next videos.